Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. I wanted to bring you a video on some easy approval credit cards with no security deposit or no annual fee, and you can see if you're pre-qualified with a soft inquiry. And by adding a new credit card to your credit profile, if your credit score is under a 700 credit score, you can see your score increase on average of 50 points. If you're new to my channel, I bring you information to help you no matter where you are in your credit journey. So if you like that kind of information, make sure you subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. And also hit your notification bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. And every Friday, I drop a new video for my credit bootcamp. This video is part of that course, and I have a playlist that this video will be added to. So if you want to join or go through the boot camp on increasing your credit score over a 45-day period, you can check that out. I also have a free Facebook group to support you while you're going through the boot camp. Also, I give you a free hard inquiry removal package at my website because hard inquiries can get you denied for credit. And I have other removal packages for purchase for your negative items, so you can check that out. I always leave the link in the description of the video and in the pinned comment section. And if you need my help personally, I will have a link where you can sign up so I can help you. Now, let's jump into this information. Now, if you're under a 700 credit score, adding a credit card can increase your credit score on average of 50 points once that card reports. And this can help you in two ways. It'll help your utilization, which is 30% of your credit score. And as you use that credit card, you can build positive payment history when you make on-time payments on your credit card. Now, this does not work if you're a person over a 700 credit score, because adding a new credit card will decrease your age of credit. Now, so let me give you my first credit card that is easy to be approved for. So that first card on my list is the Victoria's Secret credit card. Now, with the Victoria's Secret credit card, you can be approved for this card by going for a soft pull pre-qualification by doing the shopping cart trick. Now, the shopping cart trick works when you put $250 worth of merchandise into your shopping cart and then go into checkout. Generally, if you're qualified, they will give you a pop-up letting you know that you're approved for the Victoria's Secret credit card. Now, if you have been trying this trick and have not gotten this pop-up, you can sign up for two websites. One is FactorTrust and the other is opt-out prescreen. And you want to opt in on both sites so you can put in your information and it can give you this pop-up. It might take 2 weeks before your information can go through the system, and I will leave that link for both sites below. But once you get that pop-up, you can be approved or pre-qualified for their Victoria's Secret credit card. Now, there's some reports that some people, once they take the card, they don't even get a hard inquiry, and people have been actually qualified with a credit score of a 530 credit score. And Victoria's Secret offers now a store card version, which is just for their merchandise at their products, and you can't use that card anywhere else. But now they even have a Mastercard version, and you can use that card anywhere. And with the Victoria's Secret credit card, if you qualify for the Mastercard, it may take a little higher credit score, over a 640, to qualify for that card. Now, if you decide to not do the shopping cart trick to apply for the Victoria's Secret credit card, they will be pulling from either Equifax or Experian. And our suggested credit score would be a 580 credit score. But there have been reports of people being actually approved with a 530. But if your credit score is that low, I would wait to see if I can get the pop-up from the shopping cart trick in order to be pre-qualified for this card. Now, this card offers $25 off your first purchase and 5% back in rewards. The card also offers $10 card membership rewards, 3x points on bra purchases, and free shipping. They also give you a birthday gift for your birthday from $10 to $15. Half birthday treat is also a $10 to $15 reward, and they give you rewards on your card's anniversary, which would be 15% off to 20% off. Now, on the Mastercard version, you get 2% back and earn 4 points on every dollar spent on dining, traveling, and streaming services. 1% back, earn 2 points for every $1 spent on all other purchases outside of Victoria's Secret, and you can get a $30 bonus gift when you spend $500 outside of Victoria's Secret within the first 90 days of opening the account. Now, the second card on my list is the Amazon Store Card. Now, this card is underwritten by Synchrony Bank. And so with the Amazon Store Card, Synchrony Bank is an easier approval bank, and you would only require a 640 credit score and up. Now, with Synchrony Bank, they will pull from TransUnion if you get pre-qualified for this card and decide to take the card. You can go into your Amazon Prime website or to Amazon itself and see if you can pre-qualify for this credit card. Amazon do have a Visa credit card, but that is underwritten by Chase. Now, with the Visa credit card, it is a little more restrictive because Chase have a 524 rule, meaning you can't have 5 new open accounts within 24 months or 2 years. Now, with the Amazon Store Card, you can get 5% back at Amazon with eligible Prime membership, an extra 5 through 15% back on select rotating items throughout the year, and 0 APR financing. You buy now and pay over time with equal monthly payments on qualifying purchases and no annual fee. Now, the next card on my list is the JCPenney Store Card. Now, with this card, it has a Store Card version and a Mastercard version. So with the Mastercard version, you will be able to use this card anywhere. With the Store Card version, you will only be able to buy products in the store. So with the Store Card version, you can get approved with a lower credit score of a 640 and up. But if your profile looks right, you can get pre-qualified for the Mastercard, where you can use that anywhere. So you can currently go to JCPenney's website and see if you can pre-qualify. Now, this card is underwritten by Synchrony Bank and issued. So with Synchrony, they will be pulling from TransUnion. Get a $10 reward for 200 points earned. Enjoy a special gift on your special day, and you can earn rewards 2 times faster. $1 spent equals 1 point with your JCPenney credit card. $2 spent equal 1 point with any other method of payment. Earn up to 2,000 points on a single purchase. They offer you a birthday gift on your birthday, bonus events, exclusive benefits, 150 plus credit savings days, special financing, passport book of coupons, Sephora bonus points days are also other benefits of this card. Now, the next card on my list is the Kohls store credit card. Now, this is a store card only, and it will require you to have a 640 credit score and up. It is underwritten by Capital One. So Capital One is known to pull any credit bureau and not one in particular. But if you're a person already with a collection with Capital One or a ton of inquiries, you may just want to lean back on this card. But if you get the pre-qualification, which you can get with a soft inquiry pull, it does give you a higher chance of approval by 80%. With the Kohl's card, you can get 5% rewards, earn rewards every purchase, every day, a special birthday gift. Just make any purchase prior to your birthday month, and personalized perks. Remember, it's a soft pull to pre-qualify for all these cards, but if you decide to take the card, if you're pre-approved, it turns into a hard inquiry. For this credit hack to work to increase your credit score, all your accounts need to be current, that's open, and you want to make sure that any new negative item like a collection or a charge off is not reporting late every month, or your score cannot go up. Now, hopefully this was helpful for you guys who are trying to either increase your credit score or maybe reestablish your credit, and you're looking for some credit builder cards. So if you have any questions or comments, drop it in the comment section. And if you have personal questions for me, you can reach me at my website, where all your questions go directly to my cell phone. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned.